2024 GMC Yukon. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.